Depends on what is wrong with us, but our doctor tells us to stay under a certain amount of sodium for the whole day, but we don't have a choice when it comes to Panko or 4Cs. This is Kikkoman Panko Japanese style breadcrumbs. 2 tablespoons has got 8.74 milligrams of sodium. This one is 4C breadcrumbs, salt-free. 2 tablespoons has less than 2 milligrams of sodium. There's some times when that makes a difference in what we end up doing. The 4Cs, I'm going to show you the picture. I ordered this from 4C.com. I have to get it by the case. I think there's 3 in each case. Not a problem, because when you open up that box and you take these, put them in your freezer. Oh, it makes them last so much longer. These are seasoned, kind of like an Italian season. A lot of things, it really enhances the flavor. You just gotta check it out. So, 4Cs or Panko. Make your doctor happy and your nutritionist say, how'd you do this? And you can say, whoops, I found Judy. And that's all you gotta say. Thanks for watching.